first. Be first.
Be first. Let's go. There you go. Ain't gotta be hard. It's gotta be fast.
Keep that jab. Keep timing that.
Timing it. Isso aí. Se for chutar na costela, combina. Faz ela passar pra chutar na costela, tá bom?
Boa!
A distância tá boa.
Linda!
Isso, esse é o caminho. Esse é o caminho. Sem melhorar, bloqueando tudo.
A panturrilha já tá envergando já dele aí,
Bloqueando
tá?
tudo.
Watch the hook upstairs after he goes to the body. You already know what he wants.
Stop. Continue.
Black belt, jiu-jitsu. Aí, botão, faixa preta.
Let's go, bro!
Chama! Ah, moleque! Acelerasse muito, você é sinistro. Vamos lá, todo mundo!
He's trying to come over the top or double row. There you go. That's it. Feet.
That's why they went out.
No way.
Yes, you did. Trust me. It's all right, baby. It's all right. Take a look at him. Nope, not hitting you, brother. You got hit with a shot that puts you down, you get back up, he puts you down again, and he hits you with a shot on the ground, and you're out.
Hey, sit down, Luke, for a minute. Bring his corner in.
Come here. Yeah. Congratulations.
Oh my God, thank you, John.
Congratulations, baby. Hey.
Hey, Luke. Hey, hey.
Pick Aljo. You want them walking. Come on, Aljo.
It's a punch, you got to fight.
Don't go, keep. Circle. Pressure's going again. Let's go. Nice. Keep the pressure, Peter. Good, Aljo. Aljo, he's on these. Peter. Circle. Good, keep on that stick. Aljo, you some safe side. You gotta work. Yes, Aljo, yes. Come on, Aljo, stay focused. Un minuto. Safe side. Aljo. Set it up.
Round it.
Punch. Just punch.
Stop! Time!
Hey, take your time.
Take your time, Aljo. Aljo,
No coaching.
take your time.
Yeah. Aljo, to stay here for right now. Definitely. I'm gonna have the doc come in and take a look at you, okay? I don't want you to get up to your cognitive, okay? Doc.
Take your time. You only could continue to do good, buddy.
He's still wobbly. His eyes are not focusing. Okay. Stay here. Hey, look.
Hey, man. Hey.
It's Mark. I got the doctor here with me, okay?
Look
Hey,
at me. Look at me.
calm
Look at
down.
me. Are you done? What's that?
Stay here.
Tell me what's going on. Are you still dizzy? Yeah. How much time does he have?
It'll be Rockhold.
Okay. After 5?
Dad, Ajman, stay here. Stay here.
Yeah, right now you can't.
Yeah. We have 2 minutes.
2 more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stay here with me.
They said
Yeah. Hey, so I think he's probably going to be done based on the way he's acting.
Yeah, I think so.
All right. I got the doc here with me. I want you to talk to the doc, okay?
What did he say?
No, don't worry about that. This is Mark, your referee.
Can you look at me? Hey, can you look at me? Focus. Yeah? Are you seeing straight?
A little. It's like a little.
You dizzy?
Just a little. I mean, I'm laying down, so it's better.
Yeah.
I'm just nervous to stand up. I fucking fall over.
Okay.
I think we're gonna be done. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's it. That's it. It's gonna be a disqualification. Yeah. I told him he was going.
Aljo, hang tough, Aljo.
No disqualification.